Alrighty, Marmighty, I went into town and I managed to acquire 2 bicycles, used, and we're going to be making some upgrades and some repairs and some complete pull the entire thing to bits and rebuild it from scratch modifications to the handcart. Because as you can see, this handcart it just doesn't survive when you put like a literal ton of stone in a single fish bin on the back of it and then try to wheel it across uneven ground that's covered in little pebbles. Right, we have to open the forbidden shed of do not go in unless you absolutely need spare parts. Oh, and that giant bucket of microwave transformers is going to be pretty important later on. If you're wondering where all of this month's YouTube revenue went, it was bicycles. We spent it on bicycles. Time to do some upgrades. Okay, so it turns out that these little tires have like little metal cables going around the edge of the rubber in order to hold them onto the wheel properly, and that when they sort of come undone, they send out these little tangly steel barbs of death that just get, you know, gnarled up inside the wheels and drag it behind. So no wonder it was so much harder to pull the cart. There was like little tiny metal barbs all tangled up inside by the bearing. So absolutely munted. Now I'm going to have to cut this entire thing completely to bits except for the upper frame. But first I've got to like snip all this rubber tubing off. Took a look at life. Just another day at the budget White House.
Wanted a cooler end, so he taught himself to read, wrote a letter to himself.
Alright, we're going to have to just cut all of this off. We're going to have to get rid of it and replace it.
Dear Danny in the past, get yourself together. It's 2026, spend more time changing the weather. There's a loot crate buried deep, hidden in the spot we know. Grab a shovel and your scanner, buy 2 bikes, and now let's go. I left some maps.
Alright, we've successfully reduced it back to what it was. A couple of old galvanized water pipes, piece of scrap metal that comes in the scrapyard, and I don't know what those are. I think those used to be part of a boat. But we won't be needing the braking system, so I'm going to remove that. And also won't need the seats, or the handlebars, or the stands, or probably the pedals.
Chromium wires, get some extra bicycles because we need the tires. Buy a stack of CPS drivers and some high voltage capacitors. We need to have a meeting on the moon with some ambassadors. Buy a boiler tube, I left one at Seagulls. We need the stainless steel to hold the plasma guns and desert eagles. Look beside your bed, there should be 4 black suitcases. 3 of them are decoys, and 1 of them holds faces. Turns out there are a lot of us spread across all of space and time. And the time police don't exist yet because quantum isn't yet a crime. You'll find a frying pan, buy it, we need the inner lining. For an electric field projector made of Teflon, never hiding. Check your decoy emails, you'll find instructions all encrypted. Combine them with the drone we buried for days. Quantum computing and the AD code should be decrypted. I left some helpful history, some lectures on technology, the past of all mankind, and I stored it chronologically. I added some silly pictures, and I wrote it with some humor. The lump is an AI combat mod. Don't worry, it's not a tumor. We need to make a bucket list and finish all those goals. In the future we did half of them, the other half went cold. You already baked some muffins, so that's part 1 of 50. And we both know you're a black belt, but you haven't mastered phase shifting. John is dead now, John's all 3 died in different ways, but each of them left us a clue, and soon detectivery will pay. The mind is free, unbound by time, and through your mind I speak.
did it. I upgraded the car, and I'm thinking maybe we'll get longer life if I add even a third bike. So we're gonna do that.
Satellites can read your fine print from space and flux liner shrouds. You didn't get the girl, and perhaps we never will. But with cloning bays and genetics labs, we need not cry or drill. For a new age dawns the face of man, the children.
I wonder if we could build a mech suit out of bike wheels.
Of men on sea and land, in stars and skies all far away. We saw it all and saw through sand. We learned all of Earth's languages, though not the way you think. Turns out that Minecraft act clients work in real life with think. So don't be hard.
You know what they say, if everything isn't sparking on fire, then you mustn't be doing your engineering properly.
Harsh upon yourself, you've only just begun. And in the future, you and I, well, we already won.
I just have to flip 3 bicycles over at once.
Woke up at 4 a.m., took a look at life and wanted a cooler in, so he taught himself to read, wrote a letter to himself, checked it twice and then pressed send and left a copy on the shelf. Dear daily in the past, get yourself together, it's 2026, spend more time changing the weather. There's a loot crate buried deep, hidden in the spot we know. Grab a shovel and your scanner, buy 2 bikes and now let's go. I left some maps in a book, T3000 time travelers mislabeled.
Hold, I promise it's not a tank. I know it looks like a tank, it's not a tank.
Tachyonic projector repair handbook, we are not quite off the curve. I know we said we wouldn't, but I'm bored so we will anyway.
The Mark 3 car. Actually, no, probably Mark 4. Actually, no, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna call it the Mark 6 because it's got like 6 tires and we've gone through like a bajillion wheelbarrows. This is I am somewhat satisfied with my boss tier level trade cart wheelbarrow with 6 wheels. It wasn't the original design I had in mind, but I figured this one will actually reduce drag. I was originally going to have 3 wheels and then 3 wheels, and it was going to be like 6 wheels all the way along the back, but I now realize that that's like a lot of drag. And if I do that, then I can sort of space my loading across these bits. Like if I want to just carry stone, I put it in the middle, and then all the load is distributed evenly across all 6 wheels. And then if I'm carrying lighter stuff like sticks, I can spread it out further and have it sort of distribute all over, and not and also not have like 6 wheels all dragging in parallel, which is going to be like massively painful for tiny little me who has to pull this cart solo. I don't particularly want to, you know, have to drag the friction of 6 wheels like parallel, a series parallel like this. They sort of create a slipstream where like this one's going to dig into the ground, right, and then it'll make like a hardened path, and then that one will just sort of tail on the path. That way I'm not, you know, churning 6 trails into the ground. So I think we made a better decision here. Okay, we're gonna do a test. I'm gonna test the chariot tank.
Ambassadors by a boiler, 2 by left, 1 at Seagulls. We need the stainless steel to hold the plasma guns and desert eagles. Beside your bed, there should be 4 black suitcases. 3 of them are decoys, and 1 of them holds faces. Turns out there are a lot of us spread across all of space and time. And the time police don't exist yet, because chrononauting isn't yet a crime. You'll find out.
Right, I've managed to somewhat fix this situation. There is no camera holder now because I pulled the thing that was welded onto it that it does that, so we're gonna have to try and navigate this thing out there now. Okay, we've doubled the load capacity. Alright, heck flippin' yeah, we got a little tank and we're gonna go take it out for a test spin.
Frying pan, buy it, we need the inner lining for an electric field projector made of Teflon, never hiding. Check your decoy emails, you'll find instructions all encrypted. Combine them with the drone we buried 4 days, quantum computing, and the AD code should be decrypted.
Alrighty, I'm just checking the the tires here. That one looks pretty squishified and it's pressurized, so I'm going to call that its relative maximum weight.
Some helpful history, some lectures on technology, the past of all mankind, and I stored it chronologically. I added some silly pictures, and I wrote it with some humor. The lump is an AI combat mod, don't worry, it's not a tumor. We need to make a bucket list and finish all those goals. In the future, we did half of them, the other half went cold. You already baked some muffins, so that's part 1 of 50. And we both know you're a black belt, but you haven't mastered phase shifting. John is dead now, John's all 3 died in different ways, but each of them left us a clue, and soon detectivery will pay. The mind is free, unbound by time, and through your mind I speak. Turns
To unload the first round.
wasn't crazy about the black site's resurge into telepathy. Try not to show off all too much if the weather is.
Here we have the buy us a few more seconds pond. When the tide's coming in, it normally tends to try and churn towards there, but if we have this giant hole here, then it buys us like literally just a few more seconds. That's pretty much it. Right, we're gonna do a quick tour of the castle while it's still okay to get here without us, being surrounded by water. Looks like our frying pan's still here. Our little fireplace is still here. We are missing a chicken nugget. Not sure where that one went. We used to have 3 and now there's only 2. Well, we only got 1 load today, but it was twice the size of a normal load. Like sort of, almost, but more like 1.5 times. But we're gonna go back now before that water over there all comes in here and rusts out my brand new wheels.
Then cloudy satellites can read your fine print in space and flux liner shrouds. We didn't get the girl, and perhaps we never will. But with cloning bays and genetics labs, we need not cry or trill for new age.
Right, we've got another double load. It's pretty heavy looking. So the wheels look like they're still surviving. So right, we made it. So don't be harsh upon yourself, you've only just begun. And in the future, you and I, we already won. Building up a keep in the middle of the beach. They tore the first one down, now a lesson I will teach. Silly, serious, stupid servants went and took away my peace. You live in my dimension, now it's time to pay the lease. Childish, silly happiness and castles that I love. But when you wear my patience down, you face the dragon, not the dove. Do not try to tear me down or break my tower's walls. Right, we made 3 trips, but it's double the
shells and ICBM nuclear cannonballs.
So that's like the equivalent of 6 regular trips. There's killer whales. Wait, oh, there we go. Killer whales. They came to say hello. They don't come to say hello a whole lot. Oh, look at him go. Oh my goodness, look at that. There's the killer whales. The castle's killer whales. And they're swarming the boat with their little fins. And they're gone. Killer whales. Killer whales. Killer whales. In the water by the castle. Killer whales. Oh, they're going up to Coromandel. They normally chill in Coromandel. They normally only come down here for stingrays, but I don't know how many there are. And then over here's the couple. And then over there's the killer whales. Got visitors. Watching the visitor. Castle gets some more visitors. Visitors to the castle. Dun 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 dun. Look at them go. We got 3 guards. From here it kind of looks like the whole castle is sitting inside a big boat just because of where it's parked. Treasure chest. These rifles were rifling through my newspapers. Hopefully he'll find an interesting article that is satisfying to read. We're out here in the coldness, and my goodness, that sun is like a spotlight. We're going to try and get as much stone as possible. The tide's just going out, which means our window is now just opening.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Sun is setting and we're going to get another load of stone. But I might change the camera angle because it's just terribly blinding.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins, now I'll get some gold doubloons.
Sonic in my source code, Omnikick's a hard road. Like an Enderman, take them all out solo. Safety
that
in
sure is
numbers,
taking
thinking they
some
can
time, but
plunder.
we'll
Then
get
they
it.
come for me, they disappear in the thunder. Lightning crackling, I grow like a sapling. Strong like a tree, it's a forest they are battling. Tasty little treats, salmon, cheese, and meat. I prefer fruit while I'm sitting in my seat. Accusing me of all their fears. Their projection makes their tears.
Okay, so loading time takes like 7 minutes, which means unloading time probably also takes 7 minutes. So that's like longer loading time, but overall I still think we're making an improvement.
My weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins and now I get some gold doubloons.
I'm a daily just chillin' with a gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, and a million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So I mine, and I build.
I dig holes, now I build my own guild.
So I mine, and I build.
Crossbow fishing for the fish.
Until I'm filled. Sleep under.
Right, we made 3 trips, but it's double the loads because we've got double the amount of storage. So that's like the equivalent of 6 regular trips. And we haven't really made much progress on the outer wall, but we have built that tiny little area in there up a bit, and the area over there. I'm going to call that the actual end and head back to shore before we get, drowned by the ocean.
Though not the way you think. Turns out that Minecraft act clients work in real life with think. So don't be harsh upon yourself. You've only just begun. And in the future you and I, well, we already won. We